How to replace dome lights. So you have successfully removed this by 90 degrees rotating this screw. Does this, rotates, then you pull it out and you get to the light bulbs. It is these light bulbs. I'm not sure with the name. Okay, let's read it. W6W. Well, obviously it's written even here. The side ones are 6 watts, the middle ones are 5 watts. I'm not really sure which ones I have, but these were definitely dirty, so I need to clean them at least. I had to remove these screws and this part in order to get to them.